I know you talking about it. When I came in this game, they ain't even know my name, but my cocaine and my dope man got me that fame, When I came in this game, they ain't even know my name, but my cocaine and my dope man got me that fame, Started with a 40 rock, nigga off the mile. Down the street from my granny, man, I hold it down. I'm talking about Lee's Ave, man, that shit hard now. The nigga couldn't even pay me, they go post it now. I'm talking about all day, trying to serve all shit. Don't let them go up the hill, nigga, serve all shit. In and out the fucking trap, man, you heard that bitch. And this shit ain't just a rap, man, it's real life shit. I'm Frazier boy, getting money ain't no thing to me. I can chill out, nigga, and hang out for weeks. I'm talking about ducked off and all kinds of sweets. Don't get mad if your bitch disappear, my sweet. A blind man can't see, a deaf man can't hear. But I bet you one thing, you smell death in the air. But I bet you one thing, you got a scrap round here. And I bet you one thing, you get jacked round here. Frazier boy, don't get no realer than that. Oh, her Frazier boy, is he real like that? Is he trill like that? He got a deal like that. Motherfucker at the streets, I got a meal like that. Ain't no secret, and I feel like that.